Welcome to LALAJOY. Are you ready to guess some animal sounds with me? Listen closely and let's have fun together. Let's start with our first animal. Can you guess who that is? You have 10 seconds. Yes, that's a cow. Great job. That was fun. Now let's go meet another animal friend. Who do you think that is? Time to guess. Possum, it's a cat. Ready for the next one? Let's go. Who barks like that? 10 seconds to guess. You got it. It's a dog. Woof, woof. Nice work. Let's hop to the next sound. Do you know who makes that sound? Right again, it's a duck. You're doing amazing. Let's find another animal. Who makes that sound? You've got this. Yay, it's a horse. You're hopping through this like a champ. Let's hear the next one. Can you guess this fluffy friend? That's right, it's a sheep. You're so smart. Now here comes a loud one. Whoa, that's a big sound. Who could it be? It's a lion. So powerful. Wow, you guessed all the animals. You're amazing, my friend. Don't forget to subscribe and join the fun with LALAJOY. See you next time. Bye-bye.